Welcome, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make this peanut punch, aka Jamaican strong back drink. So stick around and let me show you guys how I make this all-time Jamaican favorite beverage. Okay, so we're gonna make some peanut punch today, guys. So we've got, I'll tell you the ingredients that we're gonna need. So we've got some cinnamon, some nutmeg, and some mixed spice in here, so a bit of spice. Obviously we've got some peanuts, some raw peanuts. We've got some condensed milk. I'm using the Grace condensed milk. We've got some vanilla. We've got our Guinness, of course, some nourishment, and we've got some Irish mash and some oats. So everybody makes their Guinness punch different. This is how I make mine, so let's go into it and show you guys how I make my Guinness punch. So in here I'm just going to open my Guinness. Open my Guinness, and we're gonna pour it into our blender. Okay, to that I am going to add my peanuts. I'm going to add my oats. I'm also going to add my nourishment. Let's shake that up a bit. Pour that in. And my nourishment. I'm gonna add my Irish mash. That's a good one as well. Shake that up. And let's pour that in. And I'm going to add my mixed spice and my vanilla. Right, then we're going to blend it. I'm going to add that after I blend it all together, then I'm going to sweeten it, so let me blend it. Now it's time to add the milk. Okay guys, this is how I make my peanut punch. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please remember to subscribe, like and share, and I hope to see you guys next time. Let me know how you make your peanut punch as well, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.